lot of packs, 100 packs around. Just a little bit of them are stamina actually, so a little bit less than 100 packs. We have some variety packs. We have some gold packs. We have some bronze packs. We have a lot of 70 plus packs. Let's get started. All right, this is gonna be quick with the 70 overalls. We're trying to pull 80 and 83 overalls. Bang, 77 Trae Young. I like pack openings. I'm gonna make another one for more monthly master pack openings. Trying to get a monthly master, it's really hard. 0.01% chance to get it, but I can believe we can maybe get it. So 71s right now. So yeah, 80 Nick Van Exel. That's a good pull. 80 Nick Van Exel. All right, next pack. We got Caruso there. The bald mama, the goat. KPJ. So let's just. I'm gonna close my eyes. 72 Goodwin, okay? We could use these players for like different sets, I guess, but my space is not gonna be that good. I have really little space now, so I might sell some of these. Actually, I will sell these. Malik Monk, 72 Ludor. I'm probably gonna make a video tomorrow about NBA Live Mobile Season 1 retrospective and probably about my auctions. See if they sold. 73 Austin Rivers. Oh, I can't talk right now. 83 overall Lance Stevenson. That's a good pull right there. As we're on to the shooting guards. Can we pull another Lance? So it's a 5% chance, I think, to pull an 83 and a 10% chance to pull an 80. 74s. I believe we cannot get any elites in this that are not the Christus players. So yeah. 80 overall Latrell Sprewell. Good pull. We're making some good progress for our players. Okay, Coney Kukoc, 77. I like those players. Those players sell for some decent amount on the auction block. 72 Semi Ojale. Boom. 83 overall Trust Bureau. Let's go. That's a really good pull. 72 Garrett Temple. 80 overall Trust Bureau again. That's a really good pull. Really good pulls right now. 80 overall Carmelo. Yes, we are really good pack opening right now. We're pulling a lot of 83s, 80s. 70 Obi Toppin. Okay. 76 PJ Washington. 77 Markieff Morris. So just waiting for another boom. 76 Royce O'Neal. We're almost finished with the naughty, but we still have the nice packs. Video is probably going to be like 10 minutes long, maybe even more. So yeah. Bang. 76 Jamichael Green. Naughty center players now. Wow. This is really long. 100 packs, as I said. 70 overall. Sorry for the background noise, but yeah. 74 overall notice the well. Boom. 70 James Wiseman. These packs haven't been as good as before after we got the Carmelo. 83 overall Robert Parrish just gave me what I want. Some 83s to get the 89 overall players. I'd probably get Ray and Kevin McHale if I can, to be honest. 73 Dwight out. Dwight Howard, I mean. Dwight Howard. Alex Caruso right there. Nice. We're on the nice packs. Emmanuel quickly, and now we're on the next one. 80 overall Chauncey Billups. Good pull. That is a really good pull. I think I can get one of the 89s right now. 80 overall Chauncey Billups again. Another 10% chance pull. Well, I'm probably not going to do it in this video because it's going to be too long. And also, I don't know which one to choose right now because I don't really I need finesse players as we get D'Angelo Russell 77 overall. I like how they add the back so like you know what promo you're gonna do for like 83 Chelsea Bills. We're getting back at the good place as we have our item limit is going up. Not good for us. It's just the start of the season. 80 overall Jason Kidd. Okay. I guess I'll sell a lot of these players because I don't need them. Bang. 70 overall THT. I'm probably gonna sell some of them. Maybe like a few times. 80 overall Kid again. And then probably not gonna try again because I might need these for some future promos. 77 Jaylen Brown. Yeah. Future promos like that are the same type of promo like this Christmas 72 Lu Dort. I hope they do a different promo type again, but I like these type of promos. Pretty easy to get the Masters. 70 overall Terrence Davis. 80 overall Jason Kidd again. What a good pull. Oh, 83 Kyle Korver. We're reigning 80s and 83 right now, which is a very good thing. Bang. 71. Derrick Jones Jr. 75 Norman Powell. Okay, we are above the item limit. Now we have that. Dang, I'm going to sell all my base players. Ooh, 83 overall Kyle Korver. We are going off with these pulls right now. More surprised. I thought, oh, another one. I thought we would get less 83s than this, but it's 100 packs. So, those. $75 Danny Green. Alright. 71 Isaac Okoro. We are high above the, and I mean high, not high above, but like above the almost above the item limit soon. Might need to sell some stuff quick. 83 Elton Brand, another good pull. This is crazy right now. 76 Bertans. Bang, 75 Obi Toppin. We're almost finished with these 70 plus packs. And after that, we're going to do some monthly master. Ooh, that's a good pull. 76 KG from the showdown. Although you can already claim that, but yeah. 71 Zaire Williams. 70 Pat Williams. Williams out here. 73 Okongwu. We're almost finished. I can actually see some monthly master packs right now. Bang. 77 Steven Adams. Okay. No Share November. Boom. 73 Powell. We have a few more packs. I might use these for some trade up packs to be honest. Bang. 73 Mobley. 4 more packs remaining for these centers. It's DeAndre Jordan right there. Steven Adams. Pulled Steven Adams a lot. 80 overall David Robinson. Another good pull. We have been pulling a lot of 83s. And finally Mitchell Robinson. Let's put some bronze right now. Multi-master bronze. Quickly. 72 Vernon Carey. Hope to maybe pull 81s. With another maybe monthly master. Hopefully. Because I am probably not able to get the monthly master this month. Because I haven't been grinding for 80 overall Brook Lopez. Not bad for red paint. Some red paint right there. Elites. That's what I want to sell for this to sell, yeah. Elites are still kind of valuable, or the shorter elites like 80 overalls. As we're getting some gold still, bang. 70 overall Ibaka. I believe the lowest you can pull off this is a 69 or a 70. 79 Duncan Robinson, not bad. That is not a bad pull. 69, yeah. Wendell Carter Jr. Man. 73 Jalen Green, okay. I think it's either 69 to 73 and then 79 to 81s. 72 Malik Monk. We have 5 more and then we have the countdown 5% chance, which we're going to open next. And after that, ooh, 81 over Kevin Huerter. Another good pull. Elite. We like to see the red paint. Jalen Johnson. Boom. 70 Jalen. Wiseman. 72 Kuminga. 69 Austin Rivers. Finally, last one for the monthly master bronze. Elite. 72 Josh Giddey. Alright, let's open our game of the night players actually. Not the countdown, sorry. 71 Wagner and 73 Okongwu. Let's open our countdown pack. Countdown chance. 83 to 87 overall countdown chance. Boom. 75 Derek White. We did not get it. Let's open our monthly master gold. Hope to get elite maybe. Probably. Boom. 78 Joe Ingles. Not bad. Finally, let's open our prime pack. The best pack. Still don't know why James Harden's bald here, but yeah. Alright, let's open a collectible and then boom, boom, boom. Not really a good one. But yeah, that's basically it. DS watching. We're out.